everyone, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello and welcome. So today I'm going to be unboxing the October or November budget box for Plouise. So I don't get this on a monthly subscription, I just occasionally pick these up if I feel like I'm in the mood to get a Plouise budget box. And basically I was looking on like Plouise's Instagram, and I saw that they occasionally have sneaky peeks, which is I like that idea, because sometimes I like to know if I'm getting my money's worth before I even purchase something. And I saw that in a certain box there was going to be these items, and one of my friends, Jane, who is also a subscriber, hello Jane, gets this on a monthly basis, and mentioned to me that she was very disappointed with this box. And I got a bit confused because I thought the video that they had posted was the box that I was going to be receiving, but that was last month. So I picked up a box, obviously not knowing what I got, and I actually did receive it yesterday, but I ordered this really like in the beginning of October, thinking that this was going to be the box, thinking that was going to be the box I was getting. It wasn't. And you know what, this box, it's interesting this month because it's a mixture of things that I will use and some things that I don't really have any use for at the moment. It just turned up like this, which I found very odd, because the Plouise boxes tend to come with another box or a bag, and so it just turned up like this so people can see what I'm buying. And I don't really like that idea, not the fact that I'm saying anyone in my area is gonna steal this, because it's got a Plouise written on there. Most people won't even know what Plouise is, but you know, we're just gonna open it, and I can't try anything on because nothing in this box is going to be as wearable right now, so I might save it for like a first impressions or something. So as we open the box, we get this this kind of bit of cardboard as per usual, which is the budget box by Plouise for babes on a budget. Welcome to the world of Plouise, we do things differently here. And I mean, her kind of boxes are kind of, for me, a little bit all over the place, because the budget boxes, I've always kind of, she said that they're either twice or triple the price. So for £30 you'd be expecting £60 or whatever price worthy of this box. And you know, most of the time I'm pretty sure that's correct, but I feel like this month it might not be. And I know that on her TikTok, her kind of CEO boxes have been like selling out. I see so many adverts, and I'm not going to get one because I own a lot of her stuff already, and I don't need to be buying stuff on her TikTok to kind of get more stuff that makes any sense. So this month we have 4 items. So the first item we have is the Hold You Down quick dry formula, and I'm pretty sure this is for the eyebrows because I have seen this on her Instagram. So this is just like your brows, the very things that hold you down in life are going to lift you up. So again, I have one that's in a very similar box, but it's the one where you use like a makeup remover, and you do get like a little spoolie, which is very nice. And then you get the actual tub itself, and I would never use all of this, even though it's half empty, kind of. I don't know if you guys can see. I guess, oh no, it's not, that's just me being stupid, it's because it's clear. But yeah, I mean, I'm not sure how much this really goes for, but you know, it's a nice brow product, and I always need to look after my brows because they're a mess. So the next item that we have is a lip drip. So I do own one of these already, like the red one, I can't remember what it's called, but this is in the shade Peachaboo. So this is a peach tone, and these are nice. These are more like lip glosses than anything else, so it is quite nice. It is a shade that I don't tend to go for, but it's a nice kind of nudie pink tone, doesn't smell of anything. So I would definitely try these in like a first impression when I have a lot more products, because if I just try these by itself, it's not gonna go well. So the next item we have is their Bad Bitch Energy Coffee. I think these are her lip oils, and this is in the shade Pumpkin Spice. What I should have done was open this up, so I'm just gonna open this up quickly. Okay, so it's a bit of a maze getting into this thing, but yeah, you just have to kind of like rip over the top of the carton. But I do know that for Halloween they did bring out a couple of shades, but the thing is Halloween is over now, it's November, so this pumpkin spice kind of becomes a bit redundant, if that makes any sense. I know I'm being a bit too picky, but if this is meant to be for November, then why am I getting pumpkin spice? But anyway, so you get the lip oil and you get a lip conditioner, and I just want to smell them because I really hope that they smell of pumpkin spice. So let's have a look. So these conditioners are really cool because you get like a little keychain, and I'm going to give this a nice smell. Can't smell anything. Let's take some out to see if it smells of anything. Oh yeah, okay. It smells more sweet than pumpkin spice, in all honesty, because pumpkin spice is a little bit well, cinnamony and a bit spicy. This doesn't have like a major pumpkin smell to it, but let me see what the lip oil is, because I love lip oil. So these are actually called Poke Me Pumpkin. So I have such a big selection of like lip oils, and they're just, these ones especially are super duper nice. Okay, I don't smell pumpkin spice that much, but I definitely smell like a Halloween-esque smell, which I do love. So, you know, this is still going to come in handy, of course. I'm still going to use it. So yeah, that was the next thing. I do like these cartons. I do know that on her TikTok, again, you can buy bundles of these for like £15 or maybe £20. I don't need that many because, you know, my lips are very dry, but I do have multiple ways of looking after my lips. But even though, if you like lip oils or if you're looking for like Christmas gifts, then I think her TikTok shop is probably perfect for that, because you also have blush bundles and eyeshadow bundles and stuff like that. So let's go on to the last item, and this is a mini eye brush set. So when I was opening this, I was very confused because I was like, what is this? And I do know that this is an older item because this is part of her like her global eyeshadow palette collection. I can't remember what it was called, but this is Passport to Success, and the only problem that I have is that it ripped when I opened it. So I was kind of like, oh, I know it's made out of cardboard and just has some glue on it, but it's already separated. But I might not keep the box because I really don't need it. It is pretty, but it's, I mean, again, her packaging is always stunning, but I really don't need this. And then when you open it, you get 3 mini brushes. So you get, if I can get them out, I probably can't. But okay, so you get, and like these are like mini brushes as well. So these, I don't think, are like, the handles are not full size. So you get 3 brushes. And I do believe these were quite expensive. I think these were like maybe £25. But I recently bought so many brushes that I will definitely use them, but it's just like a massive box unnecessarily. But that's all I got in my budget box, and I don't know what it is. I mean, I do like these items. I just feel like we need a bit more new things, because I don't really know if many of these are new, because obviously you've got this one and then you've got the eyebrow thing, but these are all products that have already been out. And I remember previously with her budget boxes, she would create things just for the budget box. And I know that Christmas is coming up, and so they've got the advent calendar, then there's the budget box advent calendar, which is definitely going to have a lot of more things. But I don't know, do you think this is worth £30, or if it's worth double or triple? I'm gonna say okay, it's okay. I mean, I've seen worse in like kind of mystery boxes and, you know, subscription boxes and stuff. I'm not going to still not subscribe to this budget box because I don't feel like I need to spend £30 every month on one brand, and I have said that before, but now I'm just complaining for the sake of it. But let me know if you guys picked up this month's budget box and what you think of it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, because I film and upload every time I get a chance to. Don't forget to follow me on any of my social medias because I'm always active on there. Take care, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.